Hello guys, I am sick right now and I have high fever as well. I don't know, you won't believe throughout the night I could not sleep at all. Somehow I was struggling to sleep throughout the night. Otherwise, once I close my eyes, I get up directly early in the morning. But because of the fever, I had pain in my leg, I had pain in my hand. Thanks to doctor, I just visited the doctor and he gave some medicine and he wrote two antibiotic from outside from the medical and I took it. Now I'm feeling good because I don't have fever right now. I'm just in my room right now. There is no one. So I thought let's make a video. I do not have power that I can open my shop in the morning. Yes, I did not open my shop in the morning. I have no idea why I'm going through this problem, yaar. I'm fed up with my life. I'm literally fed up with my life. It doesn't matter, no matter how hard work I am doing to just build myself, to just gain my muscle. I'm just losing it. Look at when I had 62 kg weight, I was in good shape. Then I got fever and I just started facing stomach related problem. Then I lost almost 4 kg weight. I was getting back on track. Then I started facing problem. It is my third day that I did not go to gym. Yes, it was my third day. I missed my 3 days session. But I have to face because it is said that na, if problem comes in your life then you have to deal with it. Doesn't matter, you cannot escape from your problem. That's why I'm not saying anything. And how do I just say, yaar, I am just facing hair loss as well. I don't care, I literally don't care. But it was my procrastination that I did not take the medicine yesterday. That's why I faced the problem. Because you know guys, when you have fever you have to take the medicine for the next 3 days. Otherwise, it is viral fever and it doesn't go easily. And I am taking, what do you call it in your language? I'm just taking chirata as well. It will definitely help you to get rid of the fever. And he has given some medicine. I had pain in my body to get. Now I'm going to take medicine after half an hour and I will just go to the shop. Yes, I am going to the shop and I'm planning to open my shop around 4:30. I could not open my shop in the morning, otherwise I would definitely have. I am done, guys. I am done. I don't know what to do, what not to do. Why it is happening with me, even I have no idea at all, yaar. One thing is clear, no matter what is the problem, I will not give up at all. Yes, I will not give up. And it's so easy to get up at 6 o'clock. I was in full sense. I knew what is the time, but I did not have power to do anything. Because when you face any physical problem, like when you have pain, when you have fever, when you have serious injuries, so you cannot concentrate over anything. So this was the same time and I was just trying to sleep. And it is when I take the medicine, you know very well, when I take the medicine, it is some kind of drugs. It makes me sleepy. Throughout the day, I was sleeping. Then I just sighed of relief. If you see, yeah, I don't have fever right now. Yeah, my fever is in under control. There is no problem. So, but I could not come to know why did I face this fever problems. I have no idea at all, yaar. I have no idea at all. I really want to be happy. I really want to be fit and fine. But sometimes it happens. If you see my wrist, if you see my muscle, I just lost my pump. No issue, I will just bounce back once I get rid of this fever. I'm just going to work very hard to get rid of this fever. And yeah, as I mentioned you, I have to spend money. I have no other option. Bro, you have to spend money. I will just visit the doctor day after tomorrow because he has given me the medicine and I'm going to take that medicine in the night, so I will not face the problem at all. I will not face the problem. So I'm going to take the medicine next day. I have to take medicine. Yeah, you can take the medicine after in the evening, in the morning, but you have to for the next 3 days you have to take medicine no matter whether you have fever or not, because you really want to fit and fine, then you have no other option, you have to take the medicine. How frustrated I have become so frustrated, yeah. I have become so frustrated. No issue, Raju, problem comes in everyone's life, but it's up to you how do you deal with the problem. Because if there is no problem in your life, so life will be so normal and you will not enjoy living your life. Once you face the challenges in your life, then it shows how strong you are in your life. Because of the fever, I did not have power, but I went to the road. I was literally in Kumar Singh's shop and I was checking. I gave him 20 rupees and he gave me this tamper. But the way he just, I'm telling you, I told him, yeah, I told him just clean it. He did not listen to me. No issue, what happened for the past. But now I am not going to change the tampered at all. I'm done it. I'm done it. And if I talk about its camera quality, its camera quality is good. Its camera quality is good. Because of me, Kunal is also not going to junior. Of course, he is dependent on me. And I got up at 6 o'clock, but I could not go. I did not have power in my body. How would I go at that time? Yeah? How would I go at that time? So I thought, now I'm going to miss the gym session. And I had in my mind that I am going to gym from Monday. Yeah, let me take some rest. It will be 4 to 5 days that I will not go to gym. Yeah, it happens. I still remember 4 months ago I had the same fever. At that time I had pain in my stomach. Yes, you heard right. I could not control my latrine because of that chana. I still remember. But now, thank God, I have only fever. And if you just touch my stomach, it is normal. If you touch my neck, it is also normal. Means I don't have fever at all. I am taking chirata as well because I know it is pure Ayurvedic and it takes time, but it will reduce your fever completely. So I have one dose for the evening and I will kept second dose for the next tomorrow. I will just take 3 times in a day. Chirata, I'm talking 3 times in a day. I will completely get rid of my I will completely get rid of my fever, then I will sign up relief. Otherwise, it will be very problematic for me. Look at, I always think about soap. Look at this month, day before yesterday, I could not open my shop, and today I could not open my shop. But in the evening, I have chance. I am going to open my shop, so I'm not going to waste my time. Directly, I'm going to the shop. Let's see. And it was Friday. You won't believe. I did not have power in my body to walk. How would I have a bath? How would I worship? How would I just go to the temple? God knows very well. And I have no complaint. Yeah, I have no complaint. I'm telling you, I have no complaint that God, why I'm facing this problem. It must, I have done something wrong in my past life. That's why I'm facing this problem. What about chanting the name of Radharani? I have to write the name of Radharani. I have no other option. When you have problem in your life, when you go through adverse situation. At that time you cannot do your normal things like meditation, studying, worshipping, and making a video. But when you get strength, right now I'm feeling happy. My stomach, if you see, it is cold, means I don't have fever right now. But I don't have pain in my body as well. I'm not feeling energetic, you know very well, but I will try my best to recover from it. I have promised with myself that now I'm going to live my life differently. Instead of taking creatine, I have no idea whether creatine works or not, but now I'm going to use creatine after a month. Yes, you heard right. After a month, I'm going to use creatine. But I will bring khajur, I will bring chana, and I will make banana shake. But after, from Monday, I'm going to make banana shake. Not right now. From Monday, I will just tell my mother just clean it, and I will keep it in a box, and I will use the khajur, and I will make banana shake, and I will drink every day, and I will gain my weight within 15 to 20 days. Yes, it will be easy for me to just gain my physique. Yeah, all I want to be fit and fine. And they were just speaking fun of me, Raju, you are looking so dull. I have no idea whether I'm looking dull or not, but I know what I'm going through some problems. But what happened for the best. I must realize. I don't know what is the time, but now I'm going to the shop. Exactly at 5 o'clock, I will just go and open my shop. Yes, you heard right. Let's see what's the time right now. Bye bye, guys. Be soon, and I'm going to upload this video on my YouTube channel, as well as in the evening I'm gonna just make another video. Yesterday, what did happen? I was watching the Boon Education video, and in that video, I just watched Charisma video. There was a girl. She used to study with me. She was in my batch when ma'am used to teach us. At that time, she was making a lot of grammar mistakes, but yesterday she was not making grammar mistake at all. But it is normal when you spend such a long time in any institute, so obviously you will improve yourself. But still, she did not bring fluency in her speaking. She was talking a lot. The way she was speaking, you cannot say that she is a fluent speaker, because when you bring the smoothness in your speaking, so you will keep speaking. You won't believe, I was watching the video 1.5 play time, means I just speed up the video quality, but still she was not looking confident at all. She was confident, yeah, I would not say she was not confident. She was confident, but the way she was speaking, I did not enjoy at all. But I really want to set the example. Yes, it is my target, and one day Saru sir will definitely call me in Boon Education to deliver a presentation. Definitely. Now, what I'm supposed to do in my life, I'm going to use the Chat GPT. I'm going to just make a topic, and I'm going to explain that topic. I'm gonna make the video on that topic. Topic can be anything: pollution, climate change, diseases, agriculture. Why farmers are getting serious problem, why they are committing suicide, and what is the situation of law order in Delhi, women safety, and these Indian education money. So I'm going to just research about different topics, and I'm going to make a video on it, and I will definitely upload on my channel. Look at right now I'm in this condition, but this cell 2 pass, because still remember when I had swollen face, I was in adverse situation at that time too, but slowly I just got out from that problem, and I was completely healthy. So I'm also going to get rid of this problem, but I have to work very hard to get rid of this problem. But let's see what happened for the best, I know very well. But I have tremendous faith in God, and I always say to my God, keep blessing me. If I have made any mistake, please forgive me, because I'm nadan balak of yours. Please forget me. Please forgive me. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe guys. Radhe Radhe. Radhe Radhe.